I hit my head on a tree. Can't really see it, but it hurts. Rad.
Dying.
And this is what's in front of us. Just climb up that.
We'll last a little bit.
We're starting the hike and already the stairs are straight up and down. It's gonna be a good one.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Trippin'. Today we're doing the Stawamus Chief Trail hike to the first peak in Squamish, British Columbia. As you can see, it's a pretty tough trail. I believe it's 2.5 miles round trip, and it's basically straight up. So we're about halfway through with it right now, and it's brutal.
Probably can't tell. That's the trail. Right up here, over the rocks, up there.
Keep it moving.
We are about half the way up. We gain a little over 1,700 feet in elevation. We're going to the first peak. And as you can see, we're dying.
I think this is the most strenuous hike we've done since Grinnell Glacier and Glacier National Park. I don't think we ever explained quite how difficult that hike was for us in our vlog, but it was pretty difficult for two non-hikers, but we did it, and we're gonna do this one. Be just a little bit more in shape after this one. Very high up. This is from Squamish. Made it. Feels so good. I'm drenched in sweat. If you just keep on pushing, you'll get there. We are rewarded with this gorgeous view. Check this out.
It is really good. Brad made the bread yesterday, so it's fresh.
So this road right here leads to a parking lot right in front of my shoe behind that rock, and that's where we parked. We basically just climbed straight up and around. Now we're here. This is gorgeous though. Wanna head back down?
Yeah, let's do it.
But my turn.
We're almost there. The top is just right up there. Apparently the peak we just went to.
It wasn't the peak. This is the peak.
It's crazy. So crazy.
Wardrobe change mid-hike. A long trek downhill.
We found water. Seems to be a lot of skis left here. We are at a garbage rebuild it center here in Whistler, and there's just a bunch of skis that people left here. So you need new skis.
This is pretty sweet. The guy said it was courtesy of Whistler, that's why they pay such high taxes here. So we could have free potable water. And we need it. We also need to fill up our little portable shower. We decided to send it as we typically do. Our van decided it didn't want to go any further up this hill. As you can see, we spun out up there, and the turnaround was way back there. So we're gonna back way down this mountain. It's probably gonna take us like 10-15 minutes to back down this.
So we're looking for a spot, and we just got a wild hair and decided to just take a random road without knowing where it goes, and this is the result. And Brad's famous saying is just a little further. He has to back down this mountain, and it's gonna be interesting.
But I mean, look at what we could have had.
The view.
If you go just a little bit further, maybe you get that view. And maybe up there's a beautiful little pull out at the top of the mountain or something. But
it probably was. It doesn't look steep, but it is very steep. And we just filled up our water tank, and that is a lot of weight in the back of the van.
that's probably what did it.
So we'll see.
Adventures of tripping. There's some sharp rocks on this road too.
We made it. We're back on track. Brad, in his beautiful driving, is able to turn us around. Still on the road, but we're going back. Reverting back to the first spot we saw. Okay, so basically what happened is we got back from the hike, and we've just been on the go. We scheduled today all of our errands right after the hike, which probably wasn't the best idea. So after the hike, we went to the store, got gas, did a few things. We desperately needed to do laundry. Turns out laundry is very expensive here to do. So normally when we do like a whole house laundry situation, like the dog beds, blankets, everything, in the States it's about, I think I've never paid over $25 for everything, and that's wash and dry. Here we paid $45, and the only option to dry our clothes is $5 for 10 minutes. And that's a little pricey. So we hung dry most of our stuff, but nonetheless, It was a fabulous morning, day. We got everything done that we needed to. We came back to where we've been staying for a few days, and we found a new spot in the area with a gorgeous view. So right now we're just relaxing, enjoying some stillness. Right here is a little swollen, so I hit myself on a tree, but it hurts. Technically the tree hit me. So what happened was I grabbed onto a tree and I just didn't see there was like a small little branch sticking out, and I just smacked right into it right here. So my whole eyebrow hurts and was a little swollen and bruised. And then we got mosquito bites all over my face, but other than that, I'd say pretty good. The bugs, I mean, the bugs are crazy, but it's not as bad as I was thinking. Definitely not as bad as the beaches in Baja. Like, those sand fleas were way worse. Beautiful hike, very glad we did it. I'm very proud of us. The hike was a little over 2.5 miles. It took us about 4 hours to complete because it's basically on a Stairmaster. It's like basically being on a Stairmaster for 4 hours straight. So we're gonna relax, enjoy our clean home, and we'll probably take a shower